We're at the Coliseum in Rome.
All right, honey, it's
Hi,
on.
honey, we're at the Coliseum. Wonderful, so excited. At the Coliseum in Rome. How old is this, honey? 30,000 or something?
Honey, I don't have I don't know.
I know that.
You know, 1,500 years old.
That's right. I'll just give you. Grab another and then I'll get a couple of you, honey. Honey, it's closed tonight. Grab a picture of me, honey. Oh, look at this, honey.
This place is loaded with cats. Probably because there's so many mice, you know? Interesting to know. Get back here.
Jack's going to the bathroom down there. He's taking a leak fairly near the Coliseum. I don't know what this is, but it's got to be something really fabulous. I mean, it's just amazing.
Look at that old lady here.
Yeah, it's traveling behind. Oh, that is That is really incredible. Oh my God. It's huge. So we could park there if we wanted. Except because we're at 2,000 lira. See, during the day, I'm sure we can never get a space here. Let's present here. Here we have to do the crosswalk. Oh, okay. Oh, look at this, honey. No. I want to go here first. No, we got all night. Rome at night, fantastic. And you don't have to worry about the truck, right? Okay, you know that, right? So we can enjoy this. Hey, we'd never get parking like that during the day, you know that. Oh, let's walk up. Such history, Lily, such history. That's the Coliseum again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Look, oh my God. Oh, look at this. Look at this, honey. Look.
Stand still, honey. It's not focused yet. I can't get. All I get is I can't get you really because of the lights. I think this is probably in the bottom.
Oh, what's this, honey? Look, you can walk down in here. Look, the people are down in here. Oh my God. It's like a park. What, honey? Called Maritime, honey. God, can you play this? Look at that. There's one on this one. Well, Jack and I are sitting here having our cappuccino and everything. Beer, cappuccino.
11 o'clock Sunday night here.
What time, honey? 1 o'clock?
About 11:15.
11:15 Sunday night.
Sitting here. The bar closes at 4 a.m. on Sunday night here.
Here in Rome, watching this traffic. Absolute crazy traffic.
Unbelievable how they
I've never seen traffic.
Organized chaos.
Organized chaos.
Look at this guy going the opposite way.
Total disorganized. Total organized chaos or disorganization. Because there was no traffic. I mean, that's unusual because usually there's tons of traffic.
Well, that guy's got his four-ways on, so he must be stopping for something. Chinese car drill, I don't know. Look, he just took off.
Okay, this is the pants and my thing. I'm sure about that, but okay, it says
Thoroughly locked.
no, this is no good. It's on. Okay, honey. I'm sitting here having my, first of all, we had that little tiny cup of coffee. God knows how much we paid for it. Like 4 teaspoons for a cafe. Now we're having some kind of half cup Americanish coffee here in a little restaurant in Rome at about 4:55 in the morning. Oh, it's 5:15 in the morning. We've been up since about 3:50. We woke up in the truck because 2 guys came knocking on the window, wanting God knows why, don't cut me off. Knowing God knows what, God knows whom. So anyhow, then we drove around to the Vatican, and now we're here, and we're having coffee, and we're back to the Vatican. Probably got my whole face today.
I got you. I'm looking right at it.
Good night, baby.
Okay. I'm having a good time.
I wouldn't mind having a bite to eat. What are they doing out there?
Pastry?
Yeah, there's that one. Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, we've got the ride. Now that was the castle.
Yeah, we're gonna go right by it again.
Castle was in. And what building was this in?
Looking at this is
Oh, it's on here. It's right up here. Piazza Dio Tribunale. Yeah, the Del Tribunale. Might as well go up towards it. It's the Vatican, right? It's open. Fabulous thing. I've never seen something so fabulous.
Sola Tiberina. Sola Tiberina.
That was the spot from last night.
Yeah, that's the thing we saw. We sat in front of all night.
That was the whole ice cream place that we went to last night. Era Galicia.
I want to go over here and I want to go by that chariot thing. Whatever it's like. It's got a chariot races. Parked over there.
Oh, it looks so different in there. We didn't see it from over here.
Parked up here.
This is that thing everybody was looking at last night.
No, we haven't been by here yet.
Yeah, they were.
Parked here for a minute.